channel, bro. We out here in Indiana going crazy, man. You look around, you see all these cars. I'm with my boy Sleeves. I'm with all my other YouTubers. We finna shut it down. I just spent 5 minutes trying to record it. This Goofy to left of me because he don't know how to record an intro, but I do. So, hey man, look, we finna do this. It's finna be raw, man. Stay tuned, man. You're gonna see a lot of footage that's probably chopped up from the beginning. I just kind of started recording, but it is what it is. Just stay tuned, man. Get ready. Follow me on Instagram. Follow everybody you see on Instagram, bro. We shutting it down today. Welcome back. All right, nah, come on, tighten up now. Tighten up, tighten up, tighten up. Sage, move, bro. It's him, bro.
It's you.
It's you, nigga. You taking forever.
Right, you ready?
No, come on.
Welcome back to Sleazy TV, man. Another video. Going up, we going live, man. We here in Gary, Indiana, I want to say, man. Steel City Car Show. Yeah, got a nice little lineup out here, man. There's a lot of cars out here, a lot of people on their way. I see y'all calling me, I'm filming. Y'all gotta stop calling me while I'm filming, it's distracting me. But please ignore, ignore the distractions around me, man. We gonna finish this video. We gonna cut this intro short because I'm heavily distracted by two other cameras that don't got nothing to do with me. But you know, we like I said, still bringing y'all updates, man. Make sure y'all check the socials. Y'all gotta stay up to date on the socials, man. I'm dropping all the updates, all the cities, everything that we got coming up, come to the socials because it's not gonna make it to the video. So like, comment, subscribe, share the video, tag a friend, tell your auntie, tell your mama, tell your wig lady, lash lady, all that, man.
Niggas wasn't eating up there.
Look at him. Stuff in here.
Niggas wasn't eating out there. Meet at Walmart at 2. I get there, nobody there.
Pulled up. That's crazy. That's crazy how we.
And I got there like 2:20.
Y'all know my boy. Y'all know my boy. He gonna get to talk crazy when he see me. A major mishap.
Yeah, man.
You see him though.
Hey, a motherfucker just asked me today, G. He said, what's the ticket on the G? I said,
didn't I tell y'all? I was trying to be cool. He's gonna get out. Cool.
I don't know what to tell you.
You gonna see this one for sure.
No, I want this one.
He put tire shot on the go-kart. Y'all gotta be in a different level in life to even, you know?
You better different level my motherfucking video.
Get the fuck away from me on the video. I got you on your video. I got you. Uh-oh. We done woke him up. We done woke him up.
It's on now. This shit on now.
Nah,
It's a shootout.
nah.
First when I posted the Jeep for sale.
Damn, I don't remember, but I knew it was bullshit.
That nigga said, G, I remember it because your shit was the funniest. This nigga was like, yeah, alright. Fuck out of here. Both of y'all.
Alright, now. Look, he right here, he getting him right now. Look.
Y'all close with it. What happened?
We supposed to flick this car up.
That was on y'all then.
No, you already started. No, you already started. No.
This a little something on it.
I'm no place for your shit. Huh? No place for your shit. Yeah, I'm looking at that motherfucker like, if you gonna do a Malibu, this how you do a Malibu. I mean, I'm not pointing nobody out, but
What are y'all with you, bro?
if you gonna do a Malibu, this how you do a Malibu, bro. Y'all see him.
Don't worry about it.
With the
Once the
wheel
camera
light.
go off, I'm gonna let him have it. I'm gonna let him have it. I gotta keep it PG-13.
Shit, they got big fucking.
I don't think the camera is doing it any justice. This is a different type of green. Ain't this like this? Nah, this not as flippy like what's the name of Apollo? Yeah. No, it's more flat. But it's a different type of green though.
We're gonna call it Granny Candy Sour. I know how to drive it.
Yeah. Cause bro said we didn't flick them up yet, so I guess we gotta put some work in. We gotta put some work in.
Turn around, I don't even want to notice. Some pictures too. Literally like this.
Yeah, I started the vlog off in the middle of the day.
Me too.
I didn't even have an intro yet.
Middle of the day vlog. No intro, just vlogging, bro.
Don't worry about it. I'm just gonna post it. I'm rocking with it.
Let's see how we looking out here. You left. That's probably the most perfect
It's cool. Hey, make sure you get the front of that bitch.
Hold on, wait. They get the front. Ooh, if you know, you know.
If you know. If you know.
Hey, I ain't even trying to go to her. We ain't even gotta go home. Shit.
Where y'all getting the cups from? What's going on?
Why you ain't got a cup? I ain't got no cup.
That's a problem for me.
Man, what you?
I didn't buy. I ain't gonna lie, G. I'm be real.
Over there. All right.
So you know, it ain't a lot.
I ain't trying to get you, bro. That's what black people say when they don't want to sell.
No, G. I ain't buy no half-gallon for it. You know.
I ain't got a whole lot.
Oh man, listen. We pulled up late. We don't get the last shit. We get end of it. Damn, there's drinks over there, Gango.
Yeah, I gotta go to the car. I changed shorts. I gotta go to the car.
Listen, it's some Migos.
I know, bro.
They ain't no Migos over there. No, that's
the Tremaine.
That's the other stuff. That's gonna get you right.
Man. We gonna go get us a little drink or something, man. You know.
Where your boy at? Why you ain't got the G8 out here?
I don't know. That's a good question. That's a great question.
It's a G8 fest right now. What's up, man? How you feeling, bro? Good, I see you with the camera, though. Yeah, what you got going on, man?
No, I'm just taking some.
Just taking some pictures, man?
Yeah, I don't know how to do all that recording like y'all.
Man, listen, you gotta start YouTube, man. Come on, man.
Oh.
Man, what's your IG, man? I gotta follow you on IG.
We want photography on mine.
It don't matter, whatever one you want to give me.
Photography is shot by Cat Visuals.
I got you. I'm gonna follow you, man. Yeah, man, you gotta support these people out here. I know I'm putting you on the spot right now. Don't worry about it.
It's cool.
Here you go. Type your shit in, man. Yeah, he out here trying to work, man. He out here trying to work. Are you from out here?
Yeah, I'm from I'm from the Harbor. I'm from EC.
Yeah, man. You gotta. Don't worry about it. We gonna get you come to the city.
I don't even know, bro. But he got the camera on. He put in the work.
You see him though. That's why I came over here. And I had to stop him. Look at that.
Yeah. Wait, hold on. How you coming? Hold on.
Are you coming?
Oh, oh, okay. We can't. I don't even know if we got focus on that.
I ain't gonna lie to you. I might not have focus.
Okay.
But I'm gonna like it though.
I'm gonna follow you back.
And I'm gonna. Don't worry about it.
I'm gonna follow you guys. He gonna send it to me.
Alright, appreciate it.
I'm gonna show you on the ground. I just followed you.
What? I already talked to Jay.
I'm trying to get into the recording stuff.
Man.
What you used to edit your videos on?
A lot, man. Adobe. Yeah, I got some stuff that you could be on the phone with. Trust me. Trust me.
I'm trying to edit a video, like take videos and edit them.
Man. How long you been doing it?
2 months.
2 months? You just started. I've been doing it since 2020. So you gonna learn a lot of different tricks, bro. Trust me. It just is a matter of time, bro. We're gonna tap in though.
Alright, appreciate it. What happened?
Yeah. You the only one with a chart. No one. Let me go over here and talk to the cat real quick.
Ain't shit else here.
Yeah, I thought you was by yourself here.
I should have parked over here with him.
We got your brother out here, bro. We got your brother out here, Frank. You see this video?
I'll tear that ass up though. That's an easy day, man. That's an easy day.
What's that light day?
5 speed, man.
He said what?
Frank, bro. Your brother out here acting bad as a cat, man.
You know it's a cat. You know it's a cat around.
Trying to see what's light and what's not, man.
There's always one cat around.
There's always a cat around.
There's always a cat. There's always a cat around. Always a cat around, man.
He said light day though, Frank. Get on his heels. Light day. Light day.
That's a pretty color though. I like that.
What did he say? He said that baby.
Flares on
Got different little phones on there.
Backpack.
Oh, I don't even want to say nothing.
Yeah, he's gonna take off on your ass. Keep playing.
Light day, huh? Okay. He gonna hit the button.
Oh, look, what he say? I asked for a demo. Sure. Now I want a demo. Man, look at the glass, man. Look at all this pressure, man. Gotta have the pressure.
Hold on, gangy.
Yeah, I need a demo then.
He can't have a sticker on there and not give us no demo.
What? Fuck. That's what I'm saying. He must got some shit in here. He said to ask for a demo. Let's go then. What bro at?
I'm gonna find him though. Somebody vote. Hey,
Somebody better give me a demo. I know that. Exactly. I need to intro myself.
Yeah, I don't want to do no intro now. We just gonna
Go ahead, come on.
I flipped the camera one time. I flipped the camera one time.
video. This what y'all be wanting. Raw video. Just whatever happened, bro.
Nah, fam. They gonna get in the comment section like, nah, what y'all doing? What y'all go back to the old style, man.
I can't do it like that.
Ooh, I'm screaming. I'm screaming.
Picture, bro.
How you feeling?
Let me get a picture, bro.
I got you. Give me 1 second then.
Before you get done.
1 second.
These the work too, bro.
Nigga.
Let me get this. Let me get this. Let me flick them up real quick. I'm gonna tune right back in.
Okay, man. Make sure y'all get in my man's man.
Said I never think about you like I'm brain dead.
Y'all see the Hemis done pulled up. Some Rohanas. The Hemi's always around. The Hemi's always around. Oh yeah, I know. Almost died.
I don't get my wallet out the car.
Ooh, look at that. Gotta start the video over. Look at that.
Mike, oh man.
Mike fell off.
Man.
Nigga. What CJ say? I'm not cutting none of this off. None of this getting cut. Oh, you got 4 in there?
I told y'all it was 412.
I thought it was 2. My boy, he didn't send me off.
I be like 212. I say that about everybody.
I told him it was 412.
I say this shit about everybody's shit though.
I definitely try to look through the tent though.
I know the other one. Got two. That's what it is. Okay.
The other one got 2.
That came from a real place.
I know what to do. I know what 412 is.
I ain't got shit but like 5,000 watts.
He said, what you got going on?
Sleazy TV.
Bro say he put the Jeep logo in the sky and they slowed up.
I love it.
She got the Jimmys.
I love it for them. I just love it. They say I gotta see how we're gonna swerve on everybody.
Females be stepping. Females be really stepping.
I want that front end.
Hey, never just double surfing and swerve on niggas bro. They just swearing on niggas.
I got the Russian in it.